Hello, and welcome back to another installment of What's in the Box, your favorite uranium glass unboxing series with me, Paul from Glass in the Dark. And today I'm joined by Viveka, who's also from Glass in the Dark, although she's not a real employee, she just gets paid in food. I've got 3 more boxes to go through today, and I bet you're here wondering what's inside. So let's cut to the chase and find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Here's what we've got today. Are you ready to find out what's inside? Time for box number 1. This is a really tiny piece. In fact, I don't normally buy pieces this small, but this is one that you don't see too often. It's a daisy and button salt cellar in a tub shape. This is an EAPG piece, and I honestly cannot remember which specific maker it was, but I will absolutely add that here at the bottom of the screen so that you also know who made it. It's pretty nice. It's actually a really clean pressing, and there is some damage along the rim, but when something is this old, it's amazing to see it look so fine. You can tell the mold was really new when they made it. So happy to add this to my daisy and button collection because I really have been enjoying daisy and button glass recently. What's next? Box number 2. So this one, viewers from the channel will remember it from one of the early episodes. I actually found another one, and it was so cheap, I couldn't say no. No way. Oh my gosh. This comes with a free chamois. That's right, a super chamois.
You'll be saying wow every time you use this towel.
And check this out. It actually comes with a free cleaning cloth. And it's like not a used one either. So maybe it's taped. Look at this. All right, so here we go. That's right. It's another one of the MMA flip faces. These were a limited edition, and it's also got the MMA logo here on the bottom. I want to say there's less than 2,000 of these that exist. And for some reason, these are critically underappreciated online. I bought this for $17 on eBay. It's just such a nice piece that I couldn't say no to another one. And, you know, I actually know a little bit about it. And it's also got another rough pontool, so that wasn't an anomaly for the first one that I got. Anyway, hope you like it. This is really silly, but I think this super chamois made me the most excited because I always need something to clean. Obviously, look at all the glass around here. And with all this video equipment, I constantly need to clean things. So it's lime green. That's my color. Last box. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed Viveka. Oh, you're not leaving? You're not leaving. Well, you better watch out because there's a little bit of blade sticking out. And I love you way too much for you to get cut. Oh, you just want attention. She's trying to steal the show, ladies and gentlemen. You're here just wanting to find out what's in this box. She's just like, Daddy, hold me. Here we go again. Well, I think that's the end of Viveka for this episode. So everybody say goodnight, Viveka. Here we go. Packing peanuts again. Oh, I need something to put them in. I hate them. I hate them. As you probably know already, the packing peanuts somehow always manage to escape, and then they fly out into the wild, and I live really far away from a lot of things and a lot of trash cans, and so they just break out into the desert and fly forever free, except they don't decompose. All right, I need to get rid of this. Here we go. Screw it, we're just going for it. It's a nice box. All right. Oh, there's something else in there too. Here we go. Now, someone sold these to me, saying that they're Boyd, but I don't believe that they're Boyd's. Boyd's really marked everything that they had, and I don't see a mark on this. Anyway, it was a set. We got two. Oh, and I didn't even give them love. Look, this is the exact same bubble wrap that I use. I love my green bubble wrap. I put green tissue paper over it too, lime green, and it all comes in a black box. It smells like what that person's house might smell like. So yeah, these are really nice. These are an iteration of Thousand Eye. This one has a hob that's been chipped off altogether. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't look so good. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure who made these. Probably Faroy, though. It reminds me of the Faroy pieces we've opened on the channel. If you know what they are, let me know in the comments below. And here's today's haul. So, what do you think? Do you like any of them? Now let's take these gorgeous pieces and stick them in the blacklight box to watch them glow. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching another installment of What's in the Box. I'm Paul from Glass in the Dark, and we'll be back again in a few more weeks with a new video. But until next time, my friends, happy hunting.